Welcome to ValidCreative Business Builder. Thank you for considering us to build your next project. Let's get started with getting your website up and running. On the left sidebar, click on Design, then click on Starter Templates. This is the best place to start if you are not a web designer. Next, select an option from the drop-down menu to filter your results. You can also search for your niche in the search bar. Select a starter template you would like to modify for your business. Select each individual page layout to get a complete view. You can also select Preview to see a live demo. If you do not like what you see, repeat the process. Once you are comfortable with a template you would like to work with, close the browser if you are still in the live demo preview. Click Import Complete Site. It should take less than a minute to import. Once you are completed with the import process, click Preview to view your website. If all is well, move on to the next step. If not, re-import the template a second time. And select Delete Previously Imported Site. Now it's time to customize the starter template, to match your business goals and vision. Click on Pages, then select All Pages. There are two easy ways to edit a page. 1. Select Edit under each page or, 2. Select Edit with Page Builder. Selecting Edit will give you a more detailed view of the page with advanced features. Advanced features such as our SEO search engine optimization app is currently available to paying members. More details about SEO and premium apps in a later video. Once you have made the necessary changes in the detailed view, it's time to work on the visual layout. Click on Page Builder to open the Page Builder view. Here, you can add, edit, and delete text, images, videos, buttons, blocks, sections, and so much more. This is a very powerful page builder. Take some time to familiarize yourself with it. More details about using the page builder in a later video. After editing a page, click on Update to save your changes. When exiting the page builder, click the hamburger menu, top left, then click on Exit to Dashboard. Now let's finish up with customizing your starter template. Click on Design, then click on Customize. This will open the Customizer view. Here, you can add your logo, change the site title and tagline, layouts, and many aspects of your website. When exiting the Customizer, click on the X icon, top left. Some starter template may require editing the header, footer, and blocks template. To make changes to your website footer, click on Design, then click on Header Footer Blocks. Use the page builder to make changes to your website footer. This was a brief overview of how to get started. Stay on the lookout for additional video tutorials. If you need any assistance, please click on Support, bottom left, and submit a ticket. One of our agents will get in touch as soon as possible. Also, we would appreciate your feedback. If you have any suggestions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Remember, you can redesign any starter template to match your business goals and vision. If, for some reason, you are not able to import a starter template after your second attempt, please notify us. You can also try using another starter template. At the recording of this video, we are beta testing and making a few minor adjustments. Thank you in advance for understanding.